look at
This
them?
is Emily. This is Emily.
Let me see.
Okay.
Emily.
Oh.
They want no.
Merry Christmas, Emily.
Merry Christmas, Daddy.
It's gonna funny that you picked that one. What did Santa bring you? Did he bring you High School Musical?
Again!
Is that what you asked him for?
Yes!
Wow. He must be listening.
Look at Daddy.
Sure. Stan, look at me.
Oh!
That's a
What
viewfinder.
do you
You
have?
put those in there and you can pretend you're watching a movie.
This is cool.
But what is this for? Mommy!
Ooh, what you got?
Look!
Oh, workbook?
Behold. It says Emily.
What's this? What's this?
What's this? What's this? What's this? A book to read tonight.
Wow, what'd you get, a doggy toy?
It's a sensory ball.
Emily.
Must be yours.
I got a lot of Emily ones. Here's the
Disney store.
New slipper.
New slippers, let me see. Wow, those are pretty slippers. Look at those, they're beautiful.
Huh. Noah. Bell. Super beauty. Noah. Bell. Super beauty.
Wow.
Can I try them on?
Sure.
But
Hey, friend. We got another present.
These are my favorite chocolates in the whole wide world. Did you know that? Oh, thank you, Emily.
Of course, you eat tissue paper, huh?
No, no.
That's your favorite part? Come here, sweetie.
Oh,
See,
that
I
one
like
makes
this.
noise.
of course. What is it?
That's the box number 4.
Go
Here.
again.
And then
What's
the
in there?
Emily, look at me.
Caitlin, you got that! I don't remember Caitlin had that.
Yeah, your old one is broken. Wow. I'm sure you get Llama Llama Red Pajama.
Oh, Caitlin, you got a book? Let's put these in here for now. Cool, right? Oh, I love this. I can't wait to play that with you.
What is it? Open it
A
up.
whisker! This is what I
Wow. Someone's excited. What is it?
A casting whisker!
A cash what?
A casting whisker!
A cash register? You mean register?
Look at me.
Huh?
Show mommy.
Smile.
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 She's lifting it up.
Look, Daddy!
What?
Hulu!
She has a hula hoop?
Uh-huh.
Wow, you got your own dance bag?
Come here. You don't know how it works?
Well, the strings is attached to each other.
See? Look. Emily.
Can
Here,
I
put this on your shoulder so I can take a picture of you.